Watch me customize this really cool metal tumbler. It's a wine tumbler. So I'm making some dark red ink. I'm using our candy apple and our black, and I'm just mixing it until I get the great color of like a dark red maroonish color. Then I'm going to use the initials LTC, and I'm going to put those onto this cup to customize it. It's going to be permanent ink on this cup, and it's going to be able to be reused over and over for many, many days to come. Okay, so I'm using 2 of our little squeegees to balance the tumbler, and I'm putting a little bit of placement tape just so that I can measure out and kind of line up where I want my letters to go. Then I'm going to start in the middle with the letter T, and I'm going to label the back. I'm going to go ahead and stick this transfer stencil down, and then I'm going to ink the silk screen portion of the T. Easy peasy. Okay, then once I do that, I want to dry this completely. If you are new to my page, I just want to invite you to comment VIP. I will send you a little welcome message and a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. And if you have not joined our club yet, you gotta check it out. It's a cool subscription box for only $21.99 a month. You will love it. Type club in the comments for that. And of course, if you're looking to be a designer, go ahead and type team, TEAM in the comments, and I will send you some information and you can ask me questions. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up with the C. It takes me a second to get that placed. It's a little different because it's rounded, and I just want to make sure it's on there right. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just going to go ahead and ink up the C. Just like that, peel it off, and voila. Now I have to dry this really well. Friends, in order to get this finished up, I'm gonna dry this completely 100%. If you wanna make sure, set it out overnight. Next day, go ahead and put it in the oven, 300 degrees for 40 minutes and let it cool. There you go, and it's dishwasher safe. Can you believe? Love my customized cups. Thanks for watching.